guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys a scalping strategy that you guys can use to make 50 pips a day. That's the strategy I'm going to be showing you guys today in this video. So all I ask is that you guys like this video. If you find value in it, smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you guys won't always miss any of my future videos. So now without further ado, let's dive right in on the chart and let's take a look, and I'll see you guys inside. All right guys, so for this scalping strategy that I'll be showing you guys today, we're going to be using 3 EMAs, and I want you guys to make sure that when you're using this strategy, make sure you use it on a 15-minute time frame and trade this strategy only on GBP pairs. That's it. Now when you're using this strategy, we're going to be using 3 EMAs. So on my chart here, I have the 25, I have the 25 EMA, the 50 EMA, and the 200 EMA. Make sure you're using moving average exponential, not simple. Make sure it's moving average exponential, so EMA. So I have the 25, 50, and the 200 EMA right here on my chart. And when you're using this strategy, the key to this strategy, to make this strategy really work for you, is that you need to make sure that you catch the trend when the trend is actually starting, meaning you need to make sure you have sniper entries. That's really the only way to make sure this strategy really works for you and be able to make 50 pips a day. So this strategy could work for you 100% of the time. Is definitely possible, but at the same time it still has a very high win rate if you're unable to have sniper entries. But I'm going to be showing you guys today what you need to be looking out for and how you guys can actually get in a trade while you're using this strategy. So I'm going to be showing you guys 2 examples, a buy example and a sell example. Now right here, when we look at this buy trade right here, now what do we see? What do we see? We can clearly see that price is above the 200 EMA. Now once we see that, we'll be like, okay, now there's a possibility that now price could be going up, because we can see that we have rejections here at the 200 EMA. So for a buy trade, when you're using this strategy, you need to make sure that price is above the 200 EMA and that price is also above the 20 and the 50 EMA, and you need to make sure that you see the 20 crossing, you see the 25. So I'm using the 25 EMA, the 50 EMA, and the 200 EMA. So you need to make sure that the 25 crosses the 50 EMA. That's what you need to be looking out for. Now once you have that, now what else do we see here when we look at this? What else do we see? We can clearly see that over here we clearly have a resistance zone. Over here we can clearly see that we have a resistance zone right there. So now once you see that, okay, now price is at the resistance, now let's move this, let's put this in replay mode, and let's take a look and see where your entry would have been for this buy trade. Now we have the cross price broke resistance. Now right over here we can see the price broke resistance, then we have a retest back to the previous resistance, and then we have a bullish continuation. Now right over here, this bullish engulfing candle would have been your entry, because price is now above the previous high that was actually created. Now your entry would have been right over here, somewhere right over here. Right over here, your entry would have been right over there, and we can target 50 pips right there. Now you can have your stop loss right below the previous resistance zone right over there, and then we have 1 to 8 risk to reward ratio right there. And now let's see how this trade actually played out. Bam. We got our take profit smash right there, as you guys can see. We got our take profit smash for 50 pips. So guys, this is how you use this strategy for a buy. Now let's take a look at another example, and this time around we're going to be looking at a sell example. Let me delete this. Let's see. Okay, I'm just going to use this right over here. Now we can also see over here for this sell, we see that we have a resistance over here which gave us a triple top right over there. Now once you have that already, now we could be like, okay, our price should definitely be coming down now. We should see price pushing to the downside here. So now what you're waiting for now is that you need to make sure that price is below the 200 EMA. You also need to make sure that the 25 crosses the 50 EMA and price is actually below the 25 EMA. Now once we have that, now what else do we see? We can clearly see that over here to the left hand side we absolutely have a support zone right over there. That's what we can see. Now what do we do? I'm going to show you guys, and I'm going to put this in replay mode, and you guys will actually see where your entry would have been for this trade. Now let's put this in replay mode right over here. Let's put this in replay mode. See, I'm just going to start from right over here, right where we had the cross. We got that right over there. Got the retest right over there. Right there. Right over here, this definitely would be your entry, because now we have the retest back to the 25 EMA. Now what do? Now we pull out our tool, our short position tool, and we just gonna target 50 pips right there. Target 50 pips. 50 pips, our profit target. Can have our stop loss right above the previous support zone right over there. And now let's take a look and see how this trade played out. Bam, we got our take profit smashed right there for 50 pips right there. So guys, this is how you use this strategy for a buy or for a sell. So this strategy is very simple to use for you to catch 50 pips a day. So guys, if you find value in this video, all I ask is that you like this video, smash the subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so you guys won't miss any of my future videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.